Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Discord with Google Docs detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Discord website. Log into your Discord account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Discord server where you want to integrate Google Docs. In the left sidebar, select the server name to open the drop-down menu. Click on Server Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings menu, go to Integrations on the left side. Click on Create Webhook to configure a new integration. Give your webhook a descriptive name, like Google Docs Integration. Select the channel where you want messages to be sent. Copy the webhook URL that is generated at the bottom. Now, open a new tab and go to Google Docs. Open the document you want to connect to Discord. In the menu, click on Extensions and select Apps Script. Delete any existing code in the script editor. Copy and paste the following code into the editor. Replace webhook_URL with the webhook URL you copied from Discord. This script will send updates to your Discord channel whenever you run it. Save your script by clicking on the disk icon in the toolbar. Name your project something relevant, like Discord Updates. Next, click on the clock icon in the toolbar to set a trigger. Choose Add Trigger in the bottom right corner. Set the function to run as your name and choose on Edit from the dropdown. Decide how often you want the triggers to activate. Click Save to confirm your trigger settings. That's it. You've successfully connected Discord with Google Docs. Now, every time you edit the document, a notification will be sent to your specified Discord channel. Check your Discord channel to confirm the integration is working. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.